Hey there guys. Welcome back to Globe of Citation. Today's video can help you to trigger out your happiness and it can boost your positivity. With help of these tips you can eliminate or add some important things in your life. So let's get started. Love can be more powerful than hate because love can end violence, make others do lovable things, inspire creations. Also, since love is a much sweeter emotion, people become more attracted to it. On the other hand, hate can also be more powerful than love. Hate leads to craziness, which in most cases leads to violence. How many of you often lie in bed wide awake, stressed, depressed, anxious, feeling extremely exhausted and yet unable to rest? That means you are definitely worrying more and living less. Most of our stress comes because we are either living in the past, which creates disappointment and anger, or in the future, which adds to stress and fear that we have no control on. We are always searching for a better moment that never comes, and rarely do we ever live in the present moment, which is the main key to a meaningful and happy life. Life's persistent and most urgent question is, what are you doing for others? No one has ever become poor by giving. You can give without loving, but you cannot love without giving. Always give without remembering and always receive without forgetting. While we do our good works, let us not forget that the real solution lies in a world in which charity will have become unnecessary. While it takes shape in different mediums, the overall strategy is to create more and consume less. It's the mental framework which informs smaller decisions throughout the day. It's what you dedicate time and energy to on a daily basis to reinforce your strategy. Life is an obstacle race for those striving for a better life. Though one makes sincere efforts to swipe away the negatives, events, time, and a fickle luck often run against you, and status quo comes back with a double whammy. Even in the worst of circumstances, if you can see some humor and have a laugh, nothing can really keep you down for long. Laughter is the best medicine, they say. And with good reason. It is the most effective communication tool, making you part of a group instantly. Be sure to put laughter on your priority list and see the change in your routine. Live and relive beautiful moments of your life and replicate the inner happiness you felt then. Take laughter breaks during the day and you will be a new person. People who can balance speaking and listening are usually successful in handling relationships and are rarely misunderstood. Each word has a meaning and a value, hence they should be used very prudently. Useless words only create noise. Talk less, listen more is a golden rule for peaceful life. Many times, the thought of fear itself is greater than what it is we fear. Fearlessness is the first requisite of spirituality. Cowards can never be moral. Nothing is more terrifying than fearlessness. What makes us entitled to judge the happiness of others has to do with ego. First, the ego compares the self with others, often putting someone down in order to boost up itself. In turn, judgment is the recipe for suffering. We judge others in order to feel better about ourselves, because we are lacking self-acceptance and self-love. If we could all learn to love ourselves, we would make our world a much more compassionate and much less judgmental place. For the things we have to learn before we can do them, we learn by doing them. You can put your heart and soul into everything you do. When you complain, you make yourself into a victim. When you speak out, you are in your power. So change the situation by taking action or by speaking out if necessary or possible, leave the situation or accept it. Say a kind word. The quickest, simplest and easiest way to demonstrate gratitude is to say thanks to another. It is my request to like, comment and share. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates.